Hello, my name is Alina Jivani and I'm one of the language educators from last 5 years. I have completed my MBA in marketing and I have taught many of the students for their national and their international entrance exams. It is an amazing experience to teach the students for their PTE exams, and it is an amazing journey to be a trainer at the PTE tutorials. I have helped 2,000 plus students for their exams of PTE with online coaching of group coaching as well as the one-to-one sessions. It is very helpful to teach the students within interactive sessions on PTE tutorials. The features of sharing the screen, the chat and the audio is helping many of the students to ask the doubts freely. We basically are the leading PTE coaching institution providing online group coaching as well as the one-to-one sessions to help students to reside abroad. What makes us exceptional is the pedagogy method, diversity of the trainers who belong from different states of India and Australia, the online course which includes the online interference as well as the better and finest curriculums, and the after class feedbacks to the students helps them to grab the desired score. We understand the students' requirement by interacting with them. First of all, we guide them for the weaker sections and for the score improvisations. We advise them for the weaker modules which they need to tackle in the exams, as well as we finally just assess them for their responses. With the help of the top educators, we just develop our authentic material and the mock tests. The short-term objective is to provide the finest coaching on daily basis, and the long-term objective is to provide them a coaching which is helping them to achieve the desired scores. You can choose PTE as well as IELTS tutorials not only for its material, mock test and the services, but also for its quality and assurance. You will find 5,000 plus free sample questions and 50 plus mock tests. It is an amazing journey. With managing and handling the internal and external highs and lows, we have set a benchmark for the upcoming goals and visions.